In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow paste from other apps in Chrome on iPhone. So the first thing I'm doing here is opening the Settings app on my iPhone. Once I'm in Settings, I'm staying right on the main screen and just scrolling down through the list until I find Apps. Depending on where you are in the menu, you might need to scroll a little bit, but that's fine. I'm just moving down until I see Apps, and as soon as it shows up, I'm tapping on it. Now I'm inside the Apps section, and this is where all of the installed apps on the iPhone are listed. From here, I'm scrolling through the list until I find Chrome. You can just move through the app list normally and look for it there. Once I see Chrome, I'm tapping on it and that takes me straight into the settings for the Chrome app. At this point, I'm on the Chrome settings page and now I'm looking for the option called Paste from Other Apps. I'm staying on this screen and just finding that setting in the list. If you need to scroll a little bit to see it, that's completely okay, just keep moving until you spot Paste from Other Apps. Once I find it, I'm tapping on it to open that section. Now I'm inside the Paste from Other Apps setting, and this is where I can choose how Chrome handles pasting content from other apps on the iPhone. From here, the option I want is Allow, so I'm tapping on Allow, and that sets Chrome to allow pasting from other apps. That's really the whole change right there. Once I tap Allow, the setting is updated, so the path is very simple. You open Settings, scroll down and tap Apps, tap Chrome, tap Paste from Other Apps, and then tap Allow. Everything happens in that same flow, and you don't need to go into any other menu beyond that. As I'm doing it here, I'm just making sure I select the exact option labeled Allow. That's the important part of this process because that's what gives Chrome permission to allow paste actions from other apps. So once I tap it, I just make sure that Allow is the selected choice before leaving the screen. If you're following along on your own iPhone, just take it one tap at a time and stay in that same order. Start in Settings, head into Apps, open Chrome, then tap Paste from Other Apps. Once that section opens, tap Allow, and that's it. It's a quick setting to change and it only takes a few moments once you know where to go. I'm not changing anything else here, and I'm not opening any extra settings outside of that path. I'm simply going into the Chrome app settings, opening the Paste from Other Apps option, and selecting Allow. So if this is the permission you wanted to change for Chrome, this is exactly where you do it. Once that's done, the setting is already applied, so there's nothing else you need to save or confirm. You can simply leave the screen when you're finished. The important thing is just making sure that Allow is selected inside the Paste from Other Apps setting. And that's it, you just open your iPhone settings, go to Apps, tap Chrome, open Paste from Other Apps, and tap Allow. Once you've selected that option, Chrome is set to allow paste from other apps on your iPhone.